Guys, Famous Panda here, / the Real Dragon. Today, we are gonna see how loud falling noises are. Let's do this, guys. Tell me if this is loud or not in the comments. 3, 2, 1. That's pretty loud to me. Tell me if it was loud to you in the comments down below. So yeah, guys. Oh, I thought it was 4 minutes already. I was like, there is no way that it was for 4 minutes. So yeah, guys. We are gonna see how number 2 is. Okay, guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, that hurt my knee, guys. We have Brazil right here, though. So yeah, guys, that hurted my knee. Is my knee red, guys? Leave it in the comments down below. Okay. And by then, I kicked the water slide on the 4th of July, and I forgot to say happy 4th of July, guys, because I did not have my YouTube channel set up. So yeah, see how number 3 is. We're gonna go up to 5. Okay, guys. 3, 2, 1. I thought I was going this time. Oh my god. That one was gotta be loud, guys, because I hit paper that time. See how number 4 is. Okay, guys. This time I'm somersaulting.
Yeah, let me get this straight.
3.
So are we going tomorrow or not?
2, 1. Oh. Looks like a hot dog all the time, but I'm just bad at somersaulting. So we got number 5, guys. Gonna do a running jump.
No. Hi!
Stop.
Oh, God.
As you can see, my camera moved, guys. So yeah, that is it for today. Leave a if you liked it, leave a famous thumbs up. If you didn't like it, there will be more videos coming up soon that you'll like. So yeah, guys, goodbye.